Hello and welcome. In this video, we want to see the different weather conditions that are available in the Open Weather Map API. That is the groups of weather conditions. Open Weather Map has about 6 main weather conditions, and in each of those weather conditions, there are different descriptions. Take for example, they have a weather condition of snow, they have the one for rain, drizzle, thunderstorm, clouds, and under each of these weather conditions there are different descriptions. Now the reason why we want to go through this is because we are going to see how to add images and change images based on the weather condition. So to see the different types of weather conditions, you can go to the openweathermap.org/API, and once you are there, you can click on this current weather data. So you click on API doc, then we need to scroll down. So I'll scroll down to look for the weather conditions. So I'll scroll down to look for list of weather conditions or list of weather condition codes right here. So what I'll do is I'll just click on this, or I can open it on a different tab. So let me just click here. You are going to see the different weather groups that are available. So here for these weather conditions, you can see weather icons. Then the list of all the weather icons, we have them here. So we have the day icon, the night icon, and its description. So right here on this part, the description that we have, it's coming from here. Right now on this, we have overcast clouds. You can search for it right here. Maybe you can find it or somewhere here. Now the different weather conditions that are available, as you can see, we have the group with thunderstorm, we have the group with drizzle, we have the group with rain, we have the group with snow, and we also have the atmosphere group, we have the clear group, as you can see, we have the clouds group and the extreme group as well. Now if you check, there are other additional groups available. But what we are going to use is just this thunderstorm, drizzle, rain, snow, clear, and the clouds. So what we are going to do is, if any of these weather conditions is coming from these clouds, then we are going to display a particular background image. If we have a clear sky, we are going to display a particular image. If we have maybe snow, either it's light snow, heavy snow, shower sleets, light rain and snow, we are going to display a single image. So with this, we are going to create a directive, and with that directive, it will allow us change the background images. In the next video, we are going to see how to create the directive.